Okay, Z. All right, thanks. I'm looking at your assignment now. This contact sheet is very pretty. It really is. I still would prefer larger images on a contact sheet, so if you can output this as maybe like 4 pages instead of just one, you know, indulge me. And then also, and again, I know I didn't specifically ask for it this week, but in the future, always label all of your images with your exposure settings. Thank you. But I do see that you bracketed here. I can see a change in exposure value, so that's great. Thank you. I'm assuming that you bracketed with your aperture, even though I don't have that information here. Because I can't really see, but I kind of see like a vague sort of depth of field shift, so it seems to me that you would have bracketed with your aperture. And then here's your finals. And then you said that you chose white balances that just felt good to you, and that's what I expect. That's what I wanted you to play with them, and I wanted you to choose the ones that felt good to you. Nostalgia is really a complex state of mind, but it's basically a good thing. You know, we think of it as a positive set of emotions, and so you were looking for things that made you feel good, and that makes sense. And also, all the things that you chose happen to be a little bit lower on the Kelvin scale. They're slightly well, they're cool on the Kelvin scale, but we call it aesthetically warm. They're kind of a little bit yellow or orange instead of having a clean white or a bluish white. And that's right. That's what I would expect. Your compositions are lovely. Your depth of field is lovely. Everything looks pretty good. Thanks for getting this in, and also thank you this time for putting 1 image per page for your finals. I really appreciate that. It's so much easier for me to look at. Thank you. And I do want to drink that coffee, even though it looks like it's instant. Really? I didn't even know this product existed. I didn't know that Starbucks gave little shooters of instant coffee. Is that what that is? God, learn something new every day, right? And these skull things always freak me out. I don't know why. But yeah, this looks good. I love this composition, by the way. Like, it's just barely touching, our subject's just barely touching the frame there, and then the depth of field is lovely, and just like really blurred out information in the background, which gives it a little bit of context. I think this is a really smart image. Nice job. Thanks so much, Z.